video, we are going to learn how to generate KPI report for shipment and job. For this, first we have to log into our Fresa software. Then click on Customer Service module and then choose Report CS. Here we have to click KPI report for shipment and job. Now we want to enter the date range and department and then click submit. The report will be displayed on the screen. You can download the report by selecting download option. I hope you got an idea about how to generate KPI report for shipment and job. Thank you for watching.